How to log in Yahoo without verification code. If you wish to log into Yahoo without using a verification code, it is fairly simple for us to do so. In order to do so, all we have to do is simply open our browser and go to mail.yahoo.com, or you can also use to open your mobile phone. Now, the best way to not be asked for a verification whenever you log in is to log in using a familiar network and a familiar device where you have been most likely using Yahoo quite often. If Yahoo detects a new IP address along with a new device, it's going to ask you to verify most of the time. Second of all, what you can do is when asked for sign-in information, you can try to continue with your Google account if you sign in with Google, or if you sign in with username, email, or phone number. So long as you don't make any credentials mistake, you can see you will be able to go ahead and then basically sign in another way. So long as you don't make a mistake in entering your password as well, you can click on next option, and after that you'll be able to go ahead and then verify the code and log into your account, or you can go to more options and you can go to the login option. So this way you can log into Yahoo without using a verification code. Hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.